How to reorder keyboard languages on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on General Management. Now in here, we go down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Then tap on languages and types. At the top here, tap on the more button, then tap on reorder. From the reorder input languages, you can touch and hold on one of the language items and then just drag it up and down. And let's say I want to bring this Chinese language to the top, then French to the top, to the second top, and then tap on the back key. Now if I go to my notes and open up the keyboard, you can see if I touch and hold on my language icon, it will now rearrange the language as Chinese first, French second, and then English Australia, and then English United States. And that's it. That is how you can reorder your keyboard or your input languages on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.